Hey guys, hope you are doing well. I'm going to solve a problem which is most of the time this problem is being asked in an interview where the problem statement is you will be given an array and from that array you will be given a value for k and k is nothing but that is the kth largest element from the array. So we will write the code for that in Java. So alright, so let's get started. Here you can see that I have taken an array which has element like 4, 6, 3, 7, 9, 10 and value for k is 2. It means that I have to find the second largest element from the array. So if you see this in this array, the second largest element is 9 because first largest is 10, so second will be 9. So I'll be solving this problem here. So let's see like how to write code for this. So I'll just make a array. I'll just make a method which will return an integer value. Let's take uh, kth largest element, and I'll make a method also find kth largest element, which will take a array, the given input and the value for k. And let's create a method where I'll writing the code for it, and I'll be try to write more optimized code like order of n. So let's see how can we do that. So I'll just take another variable called length where just get the length of array, and then here we need to take a data structure which will help me to solve this problem in order of n. So the data structure which I'll be using is priority queue. So I'll just take a priority queue of integer. Let's take a queue equal to priority queue, and within priority queue I'll just pass a comparator so that it helps me to get the largest element. So here I have passed that comparator, and let's take a for loop which will run till the last element, which is nothing but length of the array, and will increment it and then add to the queue. So we'll add all the elements in the queue. So this for loop will add all the elements in this queue, priority queue, and then we will take another for loop. Let's take j equal to 0. It will start from 1, not from 0, and it will go till value of k which we have passed, like, and it will again increment, and then we need to remove the element from the queue till this for loop runs. So queue dot poll, so this will remove the element from the queue till this j less than k is true, and then finally we need to return the first element from the queue, which will be the result for me. Let's format the code here, and now I'll just run this code and let's see what is the output. I'll just print the value for this method. Let's see what it returns. So you see this code is returning 9th. 9th is nothing but second largest element in array. So if we change the value of k, I'll just say 3. So it should return me the third largest element, and third largest element in the array is 7. So you see I'm getting the output 7. So this is how the problem will be solved using priority queue. And if we see the time complexity of the problem which we have solved using this data structure priority queue, so it is nothing but order of n, because we are only running the first loop till the number of elements in the array. So it will go to n. If n is the number of element in the array, it will run for n number of times. So the complexity which this program will take is order of n time, and space complexity will be also order of n, because we are taking extra space for adding all the elements into a priority queue. So both the complexity will be order of n, and we see we are getting a correct result. So this problem has two type of variation. One variation is for kth largest element, and another variation will be like kth smallest element, which is nothing but opposite of largest is smallest. So by changing few condition in the same code, we can even achieve that smallest element also from the array. So I will not write code for that kth smallest element. I'll just give it to you guys. Change few lines of code in the same code which I have written here, and you will be able to solve the problem for the kth smallest element also. If you have any confusion or any doubt, you guys can give a comment. I will try to solve. If you want me to make a video on some other problems, you can comment on the videos. I'll make video on that also. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.